Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rhino Hero. Place the base and sort the wall cards, then have the first player pick a wall card and place a platform. Gently balance the platform on existing walls, and then set Rhino Hero on the highest safe spot if instructed by the card. Always keep movements steady and communicate with other players to avoid accidental collapses during your turn. Taking turns is simple and social, so relax and enjoy the balance challenge. On your turn, draw a card and perform exactly what it says, either placing walls, adding a roof, or moving the rhino. If you must move the rhino, follow directional arrows and count spaces carefully to avoid surprises. Keep steady hands and speak up if a piece seems unstable, because teamwork and gentle placement keep winning is fun and losing is part of the game, so keep the mood light and playful. The player whose move causes the tower to fall loses that round, and the person who last placed a stable piece is the winner. Tally wins across rounds if you want a longer session, and use simple house rules for ties or disputes, like replaying the fallen turn or giving a short grace period for gentle adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.